In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Let's dive right in. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to open your website in the editor. This is where you'll make all the necessary changes to your site, adjusting for both style and function. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the top toolbar and click on the mobile option. This turns on the mobile editor mode, allowing you to see your website as it would appear on a mobile device. Designing for mobile is crucial as more people are visiting websites on their phones than ever before. In this mode, you'll have the ability to resize and reposition elements so they fit nicely on smaller screens. Let's talk about adjusting the elements. It's important to ensure that your text boxes are sized appropriately. Adjust the font size and line spacing to make sure everything is readable without overwhelming the viewer. Images should also be resized or cropped to fit within the mobile view. This is especially important for complex or large images that may disrupt loading times or layouts. Similarly, ensure that buttons are a tappable size, which means they should be large enough to easily tap with a finger. Make use of strips and columns to organize your site. This method provides better alignment and ensures a responsive layout that adjusts gracefully to different screen sizes. If you come across elements that just don't work well on mobile, like large background images or elaborate animations, you might want to hide these. Simply click on the element and select Hide on Mobile. It's a common strategy to hide decorative elements that contribute little to the user experience, but might clutter mobile screens. Once you've done these adjustments, use the preview mode to check your design. Previewing your site in mobile view lets you ensure everything looks as it should. Pay special attention to navigation menus, links and buttons, forms and multimedia elements like images and videos. These are vital components of your site's user experience, so make sure they function smoothly. After reviewing everything and making any final tweaks, click on Publish to make your changes live. Once published, your site will be optimized for visitors using mobile devices. It's a satisfying moment because your hard work ensures a seamless experience for your audience. Finally, click on Done to exit the editor. And just like that, your site is now ready for the mobile world. By following these steps, you've not only improved your site's usability, but also potentially increased your audience engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.